Hey guys, it's your girl Classic Kiki here with another video. But before I continue, let's put the brakes on, because y'all know what I'm about to say. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscription button. Come join my family. It's small, but we're growing. Okay, we growing. Also, like this video, comment down below and hit the bells, because every time that I upload no video, I do it for you guys. Also for me too. I love doing this. So it is what it is, okay? So today I will be doing a review on the Nadula headband wig. This is my first time trying out this company, my first time trying the headband wig. So it should be interesting. Now if you're like me, I can't get down with the lace fronts yet. Probably ever. I just can't do it. I don't know. It's just not my cup of tea. Not my cup of tea. So hopefully this headband wig works out for me. And if you like it, you're gonna do the same thing too, girl, okay? Alright guys, let's get into this video. Alright, so today we'll be using the I think it's Nadula. I don't know. The Nadula. It's natural, adorable, luxurious, Nadula forever. So it's supposed to last a long time. So hey, that's a plus. This is Nadula Hair. This is the package that I came in. Cute little bag, like satin little bag. So I like it. And let me get it open. This is the package that it came in. It also came with, let's see, a wig cap. And 2 headbands. So this is the first headband. This is the second headband. I mean, like I said, alright, but I can't really see myself wearing these headbands. They're not that cute. Maybe this one, like a summer look. I don't know. We'll see. So the headbands, not the best. As in, it's not my aesthetic. Okay, but hey, I got more, so I have to put on my own now. And so I got the, I believe it was the water wave hair or curly hair. I think it's the water wave or deep wave hair. And in inches, I believe I got mine in was 22 inches. So this is the hair. It doesn't have a smell, so I just hope this is like good. You know, that's how the inside look. Take this out. And then this is the hair. Take out the net. And see, it's like a curly texture. I mean, it's super soft. Yeah, my hands is going right through it, so that is a plus. It's like a natural color, so I think I made that as black. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is how it looks. This is the band. And I mean, it's pretty. Look at the inside of it. And I believe I got the density of 180, so it's kind of pretty full. So far, so good. So let's put this bad boy on, okay, and see how it is. Okay. So I already laid my hair down, my baby hairs down front. I have a little of my hair out. I think, because I personally think the headband wigs look better if you leave some of your hair out. I can't get down with the girls I see where it's like way up here. Like, sis, that don't look natural. Just hate to tell you that, but they don't look natural. But to each his own. To each his own. I'm not that girl. So, and also excuse this big old pimple on my face. Like, I wait till I get 35 and then once I get acne. Like, really. But I think it's more so hormonal because my cycle just started, so it's around that time. But I hate it. Like, I'm 35. I should be over this whole puberty phase and hormonal and all the other crap. Like, it's annoying. So yeah, sorry for my little rant. And I hate Mother Nature too, so that's another story. Sorry for that rant as well. But but yes, this is the hair. So far so cute. So I already got my little stocking cap on. I got some of my hair out. And I'm gonna just put this bad boy on and see how it goes. So it's supposed to be quick and easy. friendly. So let's see if I turn into a new person within the next 2 minutes, okay? So I'm just gonna put this on. And it has a clip up the top, so I'm gonna clip that. And it has 2 clips on the side, so I'm gonna do that as well. And then put it back down. There's a clip in the back as well. Well, I should make a pull off with this. See, I don't like this. This is what I'm talking about. I don't like this whole thing. It's like right here on my forehead at the top. So what I'm gonna have to do is, let's put this bad boy back some more. When I put it back, it is a little looser in the back, but I guess with the straps and everything, it should do okay. But I just can't wear the wig on my forehead. Like, it just don't look natural to me. Sorry, I just can't do that. I like my hair to look natural. That's one of the reasons why I can't get down with the lace fronts, because I mean, some be cute. Don't get me wrong, some be cute, but some of them be like, girl, who did your hair and where your friends at? Just saying. I'm just being honest, like, because that don't look right. So maybe I'll teach myself how to do it one day, and if I can figure out a way to do it where it looks natural, I will do that. So I'm just gonna snap the back, the bottom at the bottom. Now this is scalp. They said after size is medium. It's in a medium. So the scalp, I mean the little Velcro part in the back is kind of too big for my head, but I mean, it's not horrible, it's that long. So I may have to go in and fix that later on. But I mean, it's little for now, so it's not too big. Like the headband is staying, so that's a good thing. All right, so this is the hair in its natural state. Ooh, me like. So I like this so far. I just want this band to be tighter, but it's kind of big. So they recommend that I get the medium size one. I guess my head ain't that big, or unless they make it to go on your top of your forehead. That's probably what it is. I think they make it go on your forehead, like way up here, and I can't do that yet. So this is what it is. So this is the hair. This is in 22 inches, so it's actually cute. Okay, and they say you can wear it halfway up, down look. So that's it. Okay, that's a look. Let's pull it to the side like that. There's gonna be another possible look. Okay. Down the side. Okay, y'all. So far, so good. I'm liking this hair. Like, it looks natural. It's not too thick, but not too thin. Perfect length. Okay, I like this. All right, so let me add on a different color headband, just to see the kind of look it's gonna give. I got on this red lipstick, so let's do some red. So I got a red headband. I got a lot of headbands in my hair store. My beauty supply store, they be having the cutest ones, like $2. And every time I go in there, y'all, I have like 20 in my cart. By the time I get to register, I can get down to like maybe 10, and I go and get more. So yeah, my husband called me a hoarder, but it's cool. So we're gonna just try out this headband. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, yes, headband, come through. That just sealed the deal. Ooh, yes. All right, so this is the hair with a red headband on. Got my little ears out, lips popping. Now let's throw in some big old earrings. My silver ones I just bought, so I'm kind of salty. But we're gonna just throw in these gold hoops real fast. Cause you know, big hair, you gotta have the big earrings. Now, this is what I'm talking about. A quick 5-minute do, and we're done. Look at that. Y'all, this hair is soft. I mean, it's pretty full already. Like, look at that. So, I like this a lot. So, Nadula girl, you got a plus. You got a plus in my book, okay? All right. So far, I passed the test of the kind of styles I like. I mean, I think it looks great. So now what I want to do is, let's see how it passes the water test, okay? So I'm just gonna take a little piece. Should have grabbed a towel. This is just conditioner and water. I'm just gonna spray this down. Oh, we haven't opened this up. Ooh, okay. Okay, so it's really soft. Look at that. Like, it just defined them even more. It's gonna have some shedding, I can tell already, because it's already shedding. So just hope it's not too much shedding. I expect some shedding with curly hair, but come on, don't shed too much now. Take my brush. Ooh, do you see that? Look. Okay, let me wet a little more. So I guess it's wet and wavy, what I bought. Ooh. Do you see the difference between what, like, this is what a side is, this is what is wet, and this is dry. And this looks so good. Okay, it's a little shedding, like normal shedding for curly hair, but it's not a lot. And just look at the definition in these curls. So this side is wet and this side is not. Oh, they both look so good though. So let me just wet this side up a little bit. Okay, this is cute. So I'm not gonna wet the back just yet. But this is what the hair wet. And I think it's absolutely stunning. Let's put a little closer in on this. This is absolutely stunning. Oh, it fits me so well. So yes, ladies, I would highly recommend this hair. I think, let me look it up first. Let me make sure. I gave y'all the exact hair that I bought. I caught it on sale for the Mother's Day sale, and I think I paid like $1 something for it. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, so sorry guys. All right. Okay, so I ordered the Jerry Curl Wig headband. So this is the Jerry Curl one. I'm sorry, the density is 150%. So I like this because it's not too thick and it's not too thin and it looks so realistic. So it's the headband wig. I paid $154, $56 for it because it was on sale because I got the Mother's Day sale. So and then I think I got like another 13% off. So I got a really good deal in it. Oh, and I use like Afterpay, you know. Even if I got the money in the bank, I'm still gonna use Afterpay if they offer it. Okay. So yeah, so far like it is really good. No complaints yet. So I would really highly recommend it to somebody. So once again, this is the Nadula Jerry Curl Wig headband. I got it for $155. I'm not sure what the regular price is because I got it for the sale price. But if you catch it now, it may still be going on. I don't know. But if you want, like I said, an easy hairstyle, something quick to the point, we did this in 5 minutes. Okay, gets no better than that. 5 minutes, and we look bomb. So yes. So thanks for watching, guys. This is the video. I love this wig. Very convenient. I like headband wigs. I like headband wigs. So, like always, thanks for keeping classy with Kiki. I will see all you beautiful people in my next video. And I will leave some links to my other videos. I have a really good leave-in conditioner video made from vinegar. And I have another crochet video. Oh, and I just uploaded. Well, y'all see. But like I said, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment down below, all that great stuff. And I will see all you classy people in my next video. All right, guys. Bye.